Bonsam as a coach.
When I cast a ube
na wo so. Yanya kasa ube wo.
Ba bia
yanya kasa the first night ube wo. One IGP.
Osavo Aradi Islam
kan me nam kan say ebony be me nam kan.
O mo tiri ko ho nyina.
Me nam kan. O na kan. Me nam kan say ebony be me nam kan. O na kan. Ebony be o na kan. O na say sanko. Me nam say sanko. Nti nyame ani. Nti odifu mu. Ba sha nkoma mo bi ewu nti ani age.
Bosu wajai malam galba gagawu. Baja abusu fie kwa asoli awura mu so ye very careful. Antwe ya waja nan kan so na ukotoju. David yakorab. Ene nipa ni fa so dem no wo kwa. Ade eso ni nyina no obi timi di David yakorab eso apa wo pa. So the comfort not 10% ni wura ha. Ubetwan. It say wa wura asoli mu apa boy. So the journey se kan na gu ha.
Yes.
Awo hia na wonim
de ehye no ho.
Eti papa. Before no sofo. Omo ye poisonous. A bro wo ma no ano ode. I was a tundra stick and in as all your back. Now, person hips, no tense. A yakasia, put the tunes you no more. It answered, Walker. So you pataku at the footy pen. Omana Rasso de Mano Tono. Yes. Leviticus 28:27. It's a radiant casa. What a sorrow. A deal for your son, commercial as a man of disaster to man. Yes. A grass cycle. A super any day be afraid to woman.
Memobia kwa OB4 GHTV, the name remain Obo4. The same video no be say on Privilege TV. And that the name a kuku down for me. And the OB4 GHTV, Dan ya ni ntanya the privilege say nya asofu pon you on the platform now the name you know. Internet kun say why lucky. And some no so e banana what did me say my dream ho a me da me say bonsama shekut. From last month, OB4 GHTV are hating on Akwanchere it dawns on the spirit of Apostle Prince Ofori. Also, Bonsam Ashekut. Papa, cheer for no Bonsam no Ashekut. Bah, Christmas way.
That's it. Obi, already Islam.
Amen.
The chair, Ashafo na ewo Yesu Kristo dinu. Yes, let say, Obama dia uguso awo hwe ya. Yes. Subscribe and that's all like subscribe now so share
Privilege TV ubenya the full video ni na so
ni na erade on shiraman so na anya bu kese pa ampa obi obonsama ship
na me we ka me apostle we did na video Suffer Lawrence
yeah cha atifu dina wadi chita ko se oguso amoje Privilege TV. So, said about back and I almost subscribe it. Yes. So, like, now the comment in this up to us. Yes. We use our side forward and I say, Mamma, for no musicians and kept the division. Because so I have Privilege and the pap and the other. Yes.
It's nene, Papa. Bonsam as a coat. Bonsam as a coat. And then someone, Mr. Who sell data or one send because we not better the meaning of Bonsam as a coat. Papa Bonsam as a coat.
That's it.
And then I go out to was it when someone said good.
Radin shall be bring.
Amen.
Topic whereby the brana the bomb pie na ye train radin and me share.
Yes.
Adia air cost media area Christo.
Yes.
Some and I say a Christo for any day a Christo some ever. And me who say Bonsam bia she cook.
Let's have Bonsam bia she cook our friend.
Sanity.
Yes.
And say Teteno.
Yes.
Na say ye kase Bonsam wa. Ozo Bonsam be jina hanu ma. Obi for uhu.
Yes.
Wa ye bo for kro uhu.
Me dey say my casa.
Yes. Obo for be casa. Nya bia ko.
Me ko bio, me gra me ko bio.
Yes. Eto woni agent bi ono mo ye adwuma. Akonfo.
Yes.
Teteno ma no mo yi nkonwa.
Yes.
Tete o ma no mo yi sika.
Yes.
No mo ya de no wo mo na se odo mo ye adwuma.
They say that is opposite so omumfra sa omoniama ne. Yes.
An say first no we wo konfo a. Say the obemo say we ye konfo no esi doso.
Yes.
Na we twa rasta.
Father ya ye no say ma.
Yes. No ahwe pese. and senapro. So na set ye ni ade no egugu.
Yes.
Enti say no, omo ne bonsam, omo ye gu no ma hye coat. Coat na omo hye no, ene ye say no. Titru ba ko ye adifo no, atorofo no. Ene akyerɛkyerɛfo atorofo.
Adifo atorofo. Ene akyerɛkyerɛfo atorofo. Ama bonsam wa hye coat. Evidence.
Enti ekwan a ofa so oba be wili nipa no. Say no. So the confirmation person ni wura ha.
Obi abedwane.
Ubedwane. They say we wura asole mu apa boy. So nti na abehunu adifo atorofo no. Ya me ka say bi say odifo atorofo person ohunu ba ko a de ogira popita wadwabo.
Obese ohun so odifo bi ye difo atorofo ni a ogina popit wadwa boy. First was signal ni bi no.
So enti na rasta no boyi
no de twa boy.
Enti wo de aba so ni ba so obehu kakra bi nti no. No twa boy. E say no wabɛhyɛ coat every say wɔde dwanten wo man ana nam enso ye peteko
dwanten wo man nam so ye peteko
sanity enu ti na ye kasa bon sama hyɛ coat
yes
eti on say enipa bi a wɔyɛ an robber no kura tu ne second akokoro mbo
yes
so ukosia no kura tu ne second na ɔsɔfo be dwane
yes
na bɛhwɛ ho yi
yes
na ba bi ona mo mfa ho ba so wo so di tu ne second na gu ha
yes
awo sia na wonim
de ɛhyɛ no ho
eti hu papa enu ti na Privilege TV ye kasa say ne tete akonfo no
yes
crofasa fo no ezo omo de egu no ma ye ne o ma hye coat
bonsam wa hye coat o tom bonsam wa hye coat
ja eti sa na tie sa pepe
so Loris right bonsam wa hye coat eti kwa be se na wo be mi bonsam no wa hye coat no okose ne he na osusu ntire mu kakra wo bonsam hye coat no bi
so Mr. Obi for we dey bedase sala papa gusu a we chichi no on say ene no e be difficult say obamu say we ye true man of God
yes
and I say we ye true man of God
yes
ena tete first na me kai ye hwe Yesu mu bia timi hwe sita be se no ya ni tuntuna na so na bodia
no tan
bodia e bo no to but this time no entesa se sita balance of buy in the form of that nature na wa we hu na obedwane enti dia kwa ne se sala papa gusu o ka tete no na obi pie ba otimi say yes konfuo ni
yes
saa so na no obi pie ba obeka se Kristo ni but akomu se akwa se Kristo so ne ba so no ama mo djuma na akofo ene saa de ye so
ko
yes yes ko timi say be o mu enti unfi na tini mu at the very difficult so be
yes
so oba na se bia o the nature of akom nature ne ba ubomu nti no ene saa de a yes so
enti saa de ne be frɛ ma ko
yes enti oba boduade ngura no ba sunsume etini mu boduade na dane abeda ne huma etini mu mpato so ade ase enti de bia ta ka se wo kwa so de na se bia obi hia ngoma no ntre se wo Yankopɔn nipa na se bia wo nye Yankopɔn nipa ya me ye ni na ho e be ebre because Satan waba a wona na masati so obi efiri poase na waba se oba o ma ne timi ku ana hu se bia na me watani o ye nipa te se ya ba de mo hu e sunsuma etini mu
bonsam se go apostle se no my first key and you be mu ko nti bobi o mi hu se bonsam na wa hye coat no what ya so dem abo se nipa we o gina we dia coat no dia se me mu bonsam na ti
be dance etum se we no etwa ekowie enoma odi be hu no ba kono so we d4 na so we trofo nen semwa epia eba Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 18
Deuteronomy 18 apostle asema ya medane se asema no kan no the evidence na to enya de se wo kan trimo wo kan mo hu za ade we na wo na wo bible ade no so wo bible so de na se ntro bi ani
sanity tum mireni a
chiresi
because Christo som osafo say enye nipa bi mu de se mo ba be wuram
yes
enam sa abon sam no ma hyehyɛ coat o ma frafra
because apostle me twa no na nsem obi frɛ me sɔfo wachi wono so obi yire o se bra na me nwiare o me wi a me mfa white handkerchief e mu ya wasin do so so wa na amra wi a na de akoto aduane a wuku to mu mu ama na wi a wi a na de akoto toilet na de na ma ko be do ko to na bi no ase
enso be frɛ no se o ye sɔfo eti we no no ye konfu o ye bonsam o yi do so na wu omo kwa na hye suit na kese
no dey shine no
sanity
and you could
it was an answer for cousins or see me any doubt.
Yes.
If in the echo boss one, Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 18.
and then you mammy, woman.
Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 18.
Okay.
What's the member with you for some mama one? I will warn you on the Muslim.
A radin custom which with you for Moses. Or say Moses said, you know, deep for Ben Man Swaman. I will need you on what to say.
What to say?
Okay.
Now, my demands are better than the
A radin set 80%. So, person who more must call to Libya. A radin some no mocha. Or some song. Say you all be walking. Say, or software, Mammy could drown. No, no, 9 rounds.
Yes.
I mean, we are made a white handkerchief of our own shoe.
Yes, now they are got to be a mouth ready.
Obi, me patrol, me present me pusa. After 4 items, say, wait a radiation.
Mosampa, a radiation.
Was more deep for me so in the enemy to set Moses, Meboa. No, the dear.
Mesa Besson.
Okay, Nelson Masson.
Now, what can you message in our answer?
They're all shannon. Meaning is a radical shannon. Zap until the one you will. So one quiet that Debbie. A 2% whom Sabon Sambia Shakota 1. Tinin Samoa or and some appear free in Wabama Waka. And then I get because I can't be a medieval. Where you will be a radical Safanos.
Yes.
A radical Safanos. No, be in Tadia Dinso. Answer. If I just want 81st point, Deuteronomy 18:18. So what the name said, have a sessa with you for the day. Over can they was sending in our accident. It way point 1. Who was so moon is up on some as a quota. Wait, ever more.
It's a minion man who pan and a baby now problem. I could do so for problem. I said, Apostle, I told you all good desperation in the Yana many will final. Because the boy have a problem and some. Now, what do you just say? I have Kushia, there be a problem. Not so far, I say, for videos to do so. Yeah, I'll call it. If you could also acquire so now, and also swear because what do you do so? Why you and no problem now? And I saw. I also swear.
Okay, yeah, try the view. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 9.
Oh, Sam, you go to wait, I said. I would at the right place because yeah, pass a million yeah, people key because OB4GS TV, any privilege TV, a key to a successful Christian and a choir about was a walk on as you feel.
You will be on more. Or much up and Serena, and yet a fake. A be also the fact. Every Satan can also pardon. It didn't wash a coat to. Because we sit us on
I mean, next I can't Satan and the about to a year to a best.
Oh, Rebecca Acts chapter 16, verse 16. Rebecca was of Kahoma answer. Acts chapter 16, verse 16. We are near Baha. I can't tell obey a manafa. Son no the baby need them.
Yes.
Best a tipaye na buy no man a call ya. Why try the more 3 months time here for Yale Beba? Because on some China, yes, China drew was awful. Rebecca was a man
1 month,
not Bema, and coffin. The way you 1 month, not coffin. Yes, Acts 16.
Acts chapter 16, verse 16.
Okay,
it just was here for the Yarisa. The Bassa Yaka sorry no.
Pon a casano or more quassol.
About what I come home with
you. About one more say you should you know upon some. Young boy.
And so now what then comes Emma
what then comes it was a coat.
Yes.
So it was then comes a many Ramaya de
Nya Dibi.
I guess and some all come.
I hear you.
I can't tell what the Beba and many Ramuya dear at the Ebri. So, yes,
or none I would deep on the end at 3 and we said,
there be no deep poetry, no TM say.
You pay me when Yakopo was so
It won't. Yankopon Crawford, why they were or when it was why upon some na coat and why they was it. Now, no of them concern any account to them. It's many refusing in a tea to move on some no, a sophobia before. It would have it. With phobia or turning in some Pacafoni apostles will not come. Or your Satan was a good. So it was whom. It was deep on what in your cancer.
Nipa yi ne Onyankopɔn wɔ sorosoro nko a.
Nko a.
Wɔkyerɛ mo nkwagye kwa.
Wɔkyerɛ nkwagye kwa.
Na sɛ bonsam nipa no no wɔ sɛ wɔ
Yes.
before no.
Wɔkyerɛ nkwagye kwa. Na kyerɛ sɛ ɔno deɛ na kwa nkyerɛ ayɛ adwuma. But nkwagye kwa deɛ.
Wɔnkyerɛ.
Because Yesu ne ɔkwan no.
Nokora ne nkwa.
Edubo so gyina puppet. Wɔbɔ ne moti adi no de Jehovah atoa so. Ja Jehovah. Wɔbɔ moti adi o. Ɔsafo so ɔho. No de Jehovah atoa so. Wɔn ria wɔ adwene no. Ɛnkɔ hɔ. Ebato so ɔho. Eti akwankyere betumi ayɛ adwuma. Ebetumi ti ase de no. Ɔma ne wura mu fie di yi. Nkɔm sɛ nna kwankyere. Ɛnsoro ne mu no. Ofrɛ wura. Sanity.
Na ti sɛ nkɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a omu de akwankyerɛ mo nsesa mo dress mra mo nsesa mo handkerchief entade a ma hye a wo mo dada mo mfa mra ne nhye no mo mra ne nye sei obi e ba mo nsa anwea mo nsa enye se ni nyina na ye akwankyerɛ bɔ nanso wo ye nipa twene kwa akyiri ebu se akwankyerɛ wo ye de ma me nti ya de pa enye ya no makonfo yi bi na mo ahyehye kotu yo mo ya be ya because kofo ata de bra me nhye ne de se kyerɛ me sɛ ko na ne ukunu ndane hu nsuo no fa bra na e fa nane na ade bra ba di loto number
enye
aposto TV no na minim the Christian Council no say o mu wɔ he
answer obonsam na wa hye kotu enye asɔre da nko ne se wote
yes
parliament wote ho ndura MP fo no mu a obehunu obonsam na hye kotu o kan
because o na de mra na e ba
yes Ura Christian Council for no more. Bonsa bia se code oto. Eto friend no so ye soft.
Yes.
Ko de ekoso nyina omuhu. Ko ba o mapa ne nya adwene pa. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse number 9.
Yes.
Adwena odi apa.
Key no. Key fie no. How key fie.
Yes.
O kan asem na your privileged house, your privileged TV, privileged house. O kan asem na so maka de so obi for GTV. Ye mfa ye ho ndon it could be and said that like woman near the papa because a Christian dominated channel and the privileged TV and it's also a church udo hu ba don a ubenya nyame tirim adwem na da bia aboa wo busua aboa wo vicinity people around you am say enipa we a true man of God minia na apostle kina no body e be say o kan
e be ya e be hu omo Christian Council ho and parliament
because if you omo come to the sense say now omo pese yenji
yes
na minister bi etima sorry boldly akasa say momo se momo pere ma ya ni tumu dia ene na petro na anya
sanity
aso ne babema aware oba me babema de onko ware ne onko bema minia apostle
okay the enhwe adwena omode nam kenkan 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 9
chapter 2 verse 9
okay
o say ono nso na ne ban
ba
no say tadwuma yeso
the owura parliament ono a solid am ho adwena odi behun se oba no say tadwuma yeso
yes
because obonsama shekot akotena parliament nti no mo se yenye gate mu no
wow
ade esi wo Sodom and Gomorrah ma Awurade abufu hye kese efiri soro baayan osafo so on intina privilege TV ye kase obonsa wa shekot e was a president man ni dawo e was a ministers mo mani dawo
yes
every Christian Council was so many a dawo because factor so ni mabiu person wetwa but ofra wo mu
yes
san no ma we na maga na ekofo
yes
is a pure water almost see a ton say
40 pesos full sachet no so 60 Ghana
so
40 Ghana o ebi dey 60 Ghana 6 cedis ebi so dey 4 cedis
yes
and the bizarre also koton so sachet
yes
eyi ba say 6 Ghana cedis 4 Ghana cedis adan
so
nsuo ne nkyere dey na dey anka no dey the price of
yes
afi dey very
ni nyina ya pejam eto amanya obewu se nsuo kwa ye den na ye nyina mo nkane aso kwa ye den sa o man ro nsama se coat ti
yes
bi o parliament ko o ma se coat mo matete wo o so fo so eti no bana oban o so oban se ya oban se tanduma ye so
atoro tumi
so
yes
toro because we san come deep for this also for your baba when you
obi timi hye nkom timi ya o ka ba no obi timi hye nkom se nyankopon ba wi ase no ono de ono kwa nyankopon no o ka se nyankopon ba wi ase no be ware ewo
ewa unifa eni ho we nya na also ohun say bon sama ede ashekut also ba na toro tumi
enen sense
eti tumi a ede ama wo mo ahemfo nyina ka ho yes who wura him fear bon sama ashekut ti ho
timi to asase me ni pan na
yes
wonwe no ho
atoro
mon kokko na mfa kokko
yes
me baba bi dia da
so also ban Satan to maso atoro tumi ne de
sense
ene nsenkyerene to obeya miracle say ya obeyiska last time me try ga bi all the people say na num say oresate west bi ana adaniska na
o twi ba
so eso yesofo
asori bi ba ya minim say asori mi hu set na wo TV so or the Bible or the bag ba oyi mi hu mo studio gbo nwa na wafro na oyi ska free bibiri tinam bisa say we no so e wo Bible man na say nyankopon me telebi no
enye am say ana all cancel oba ne say de atoro tum
ni sense ne
ene nsenkyerene
ene ahudwiri die
ene ahudwiri
yes
so asem wa revelation osofo revelation yen hwa de bi wo Revelation chapter 16 verse 12.
Revelation 16 verse
yes
12.
Yeah, try to be
privilege house ha. And then obia benye ni key. No dey atena won na hu odifo obi a won said baby a mewura no. Mewura nya me fie ana se hoya ana se hoya.
Okay. Revelation chapter 16 verse 12. Yen try to be
Revelation chapter 16 verse 12. Osena de etoso nsia no.
Okay.
Osena de etoso nsia no ehwie ne kuru amugu asubonte kese efrete mu. Na emu nso we.
Okay.
Na wasiesie kwan ama ahemfa wo firi wo wia po ye no ho a.
Okay.
Na mehu no ahomfi miensa.
Amphimiansa.
Wote samponkyereni.
Ote samponkyereni.
Se wo firi watwase na num.
Otwase.
Ene aboa no enum.
Ene aboa no.
Ene adifo.
Ene adifo atrofo. It is the spirit of frog. Mponkyereni ho. It na me ka sem bi say. So who say wo cheponkyereni a obi a kyerese. And then
wo chia ponkyereni a no
pe poison.
Wow.
That was all. It is different no suffer. Omo ye poisonous. E bura wo man no anote.
Yes.
Osafo so it will be cancer bi wa ha. Oso mu kuta ponkyereni ho. Ano mo de ye den.
Ose,
that's a ponkyereni ho so they are very poisonous.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ya kwa.
ose no ya ahomone ahohoma wo ye nsankyerene.
Tie. Things are all cast omo ye nsankyerene.
Yes.
Poison na ekuta omo de ye de ye. Nsankyerene. Oya hombone hohoma wo ye den. Wo ye nsankyerene.
Odifo bi media me masem dia wo kan me yiwa firi ho media masem dia ye mboso media me nya nipa edim ho
mboso
media yese mi yese wonya nipa na ya de sabi wo ya adwe aten na mo me edi nyame ye di nyame ho to enne ya ba privilege house and privilege TV so na wo hwe me sensem pase no wo benya dia tie na dia bobla obi for GTV en fa ni me ni agro ye ped abedi ade en bewura bia no ho se e konkrom because Bible can say what shall profit a man if you gain the whole world and loses your soul. When you are suffer se baby a wo de wo 9 nam emwo wa ye wura 2022 hwe ye because 2021 ye na madifo ni bi wo ha ye sie wo 2021 ti hwe wana mo ni me ni na akasa
Eti mponkyereni ho.
yes
Amo mu so de ye
miracle
that's
yes but you know the bed you say sa edifo we like wanya papa
okay.
They say o mo buy no obefa 2016 wo kan wo brechi o kire do ebi kura ti ko ginati e ba bi ma ye adoye opege bi e 1 billion no akwache ma tudo so no tani ade nti be ye dan ni mu se sai ni kowe na ade na wo ye enfrinya
That's it. Answer yes ma ye hu. Kwa be fa so be hu bon samo a wadane a wakosheko. Ba go wo Matthew chapter 7 verse 15. Matthew chapter 7 verse number 15.
ya kan ya ogutation no
Messiah na nkasa ye ntia smo kan.
Matthew 7 verse 15.
Okay.
Also na mo hwe mo ye different to.
Yesu na ekasa no.
Yesu na ekasa no.
It is some way nipa say na wotimi pomodi hu say nipa wo. Ye boni di hu say nipa mienu adanse de no kro.
No kro.
Say ahanya na tewa. Yesu na ekasa no say ye den.
Mo hwe mo hu yi.
Hwe hu yi.
Na what different to.
Use asa no be kasa hwe yi no aye de. Wa warning.
A warning statement.
E ya dia ehu pa.
Yes.
Osimo ntwa mo hu yi.
Na what different to.
Okay.
Na what na ntin mo ba mo nchen.
So odwan obi apɛ n'asɛm.
Yes.
Enti ɔmo di dwante no ma ana adra wɔn.
Na wo mu die.
Wɔde dwante no ma bɛba wɔn nkyɛn.
Nso wo mu die.
Ade ewo ne mu die. Wɔyɛ pataku. Yɛ ka pataku a ɔyɛ aboa bi a ne ho ohu.
Yes.
Ɔkye.
Yes.
Pataku ankasa ɔkye. Sɛde ɔse bɔkye nso tumi kye. Ne ho ohu. Eti ɔbɛn no afrɛ nyantene no. Eni ti no akɔhyɛ coat no.
Said the bear on here.
Yes. Yes. The genius will be afraid of what the topic is. Yes, you say what the young tenant woman. And about
Yes.
80 patakuno, where you know, woman, I ain't
To bedroom my womb.
Yes. Tete. Sa come for now. When I catch him, consam and friend. Boast is a woman I be a default, bebre fana.
Because I never consider any man TV so no cry no a more rem.
The be a sanka saying the yakanche. So it was one of young tenant about take
Na wo mu die.
ni muse ankasa ne de oye pataku adufu dipefu
Wona pa na mo di bo.
omo ye pataku biara oye de ya adufu dipe so eti papa bi te say ate say God ana say Rubino omu ba ko tama na Isaac Esra no o de me no kan say bi wase wo de obutu te say de ya pataku so it is what the pataku to di for ho a person what say so ye dufu dipe na o kwa no wono asori ya we didn't get to ya constituency fee.
Yes.
And son what to oil 2 million.
Yes. And some was had the card.
And son what the card, emergency card.
Yes.
It is so ya there. It is a old ubusa said ye nibe huwa. Wa ya there ya.
Pataku du fidipe.
Oba or the court to na go. Or the can say said ya ne bansa no ma na go. And was a court.
Yes.
Two afraid you say pataku wa ya there ya. Dufu depe. Yes.
Yes.
Eti sofo bia wo ko hunu a utia consultation fee.
Yes.
O to wa yere wasole dem wo. O sa de emergency card. And son na ma envelope sa fa ko hu sofo no. Wo ye pataku. O je dufu dipe.
Martin, obi aware obi for GTV privilege TV. The and then privilege na na the amount the privilege send unko di fu duwa. Enka wo dwane a every baby ade ho akwakodon eku a nka wo benya aso bi obeduru ho ahomum na na edudu wo dwane akosu afre awade se awade mo amen ahomum ugo hu di fo na so ugo hu mi a 1.5 million 10 million the emergency wo benya 1 and 1 ebi kura 2 million no kura wo hu no uduru ho na na artistic bi ama ko afako tale wo bomba no be ye dum na 2 million wo be so hu no emergency 1 and 1 na it's 1,000 sankofo no o mi ye pataku adufu dipe omo ndwene wo ye die mu omo ndwene wo nkwadie mu odwene ni range over bi obedam odwene na japade bi a obeye mansions akase a obesisi eno no odwene men kase sofu sida yen o sofu sida bible say the concept na odidi se pam edi sofu sida yen a eye sofu daka mu a eye sofu ye japade eye na emom ne kwampa so because wo ye adwuma nya sika ko sidan a so onso ka nya me adwuma na onso eboa no so de ho kakra na onso ye japade eye na mom se odi nyansa kwan ye be ka kire o se peja 10 million fabra na be just take akota order onu ko de am fast can tan ka wo aka kire o se fast can talent o ka you are saying men ka se sticker no what the taka a show respect and I was who will respect ma odifo no enti wugidi a wo man mutim de stick and taw ka e ye adwuma so but e ye sa na say e ya ma bibiri no e wo she stick and ko another ebi
the tunes you
no more
I said last time the difo bi che tundra sticker No de no ye was a tundra sticker ni nyina so yo ba na pesa o hips ne wo tens eye kese a o de tun nsuo mu no mo abehu
tundra sticker
oye bisa
wow
yes and you say tete no ban sere na na de tuyensa ene yasena eno an na most na ada ne bundles bebre na sa ne tie ebi mu ye papa enu ti na e wose ye mi ani da ho ebi ye papa sa de na obi for work me sticker no obi me ye programmer me ye stickers
yes the you show
yes it me member ni bi ana me di ko yiva turn out the ball car o dem mo problem there ba sa me ton man ka to say di wey na fa kobo na sa bibi ba fiam na ke eno de e ye tete banse ni bia
o de sticker ne ko bo dem ma enye problem na de show adwum say sticker na ta ho e bo ho ba de ene o problem what the one wawu obi de so bi sticker ta ne ka ho na ka ne front tire pie no de ne sa tale yi ne sticker eh no bo so fu ni jeme o ti na ni na ne ti ate
oko sticker enye nkwa said the rade otumi shira products so otumi shira ni pa so ma na boro so mo
yes
it is a penalty it one said oka so ye pataku adufude pen o mo na wura so de ma no ton no ma no
yes
Leviticus 28:27
Leviticus chapter 27 verse 28
okay
yes also enso eshira de biara
eshira ade de ye shira so
na obi abe shira so ba brade
obi ade baba so le fi obi shira so say ye wrade dia
ade e wo mu nyina no
ade e wo mu biara
onipo
say ye nipa o aboa o
asase odi suo
na
de won ton
eti that time no ye try Bible we na ya command Israel for no Moses erade kire na oye de won fanye edua popokoro ene bayo wanua se won fanye owie no say wa fra na du frafo nyansem eti hwe no obi anya bi atense Exodus 13:19 ho ba bi na 22 obi ankoye bi nti no ama oye de wa anko bebo ko ni nso de do the command ama o it was here strategy ade be wura so dem o be sira so
ade a wo ye nyina
mu
onipo wa
say ye nipo o emu o
asase odi suo
wasase a odi suo
de won ton
o se enton
na wonye nso
won so many eti enton de wa so ifi
say anya aha kipa ni abon ha no na je say so fu bi akofa sticker no abeja ma hira so wo Yesu di bande ma hira so wi ade fa chairman so man
yes
enton
oyere yenton
wo de be bompa
ene ka tobra le fie ho de
ene tobra na hira so ma be se fie ho pa se ma ya oye na guo bebre ni me ton ma ya stickers na guo na me ton yenton Bible na eka enye apostle na eka ena obe ka say o ka dia fi
quotation ni nyina obi be
quotation ni nyina so ye ba bu agu ase bo quotation ni bi okura na omununu se enye agro ni edi no ha
Leviticus chapter 27 verse 28
yes and the asem no enye ntro wo na Bible no ma be se yensua o se bata akenkan na wa nyira da bia no wo to wo mfa Bible no nkan obi je ne Bible ko to mo no duan 17 years ni it is as a near near to or me a mukran kind or koda no that to
or make us in the Bible Debiano poetry makeups
yes
no eyelashes Debiano pan the Bible on farmer use good morning
that
or solely am papa no a fan of hello hi
any apostle go for problem because I said this one I be a different baby we call mistake any moment 10 cities obi ti meton apple I turn just 2 cities 5 cities e kwa na akos kwa ya you o turn 50 Ghana 100 Ghana otimi twitwam enye me so asori kese bi pa me ku na me duro na anonte wo ya me ya ti de ku asichire no 50 pesos ayi o hwie ku ma no achichire na o mo achichire to ba patima no sika patima no sika asori na ya ti se business center ahoso me nyankopon twen ama na o start say wo hwe because we wura ho na omoton omo de nwan ni mbro no ma na ye biberu a omoton obiebie wo mu nyina na o twen
ha mo nyina eti obi for on say de etie no Christo som na wase ami ani edawo because Benjamin Jacob abusiako du mienu no ka ho yes saa so na Judah so ka ho it is a Benjamin na me pen name ona na eja kan say oye obutu ti say potem yes it a deal for ni bi wo mo ye Benjamin it on say so no ye Benjamin ni ana David oye Judah ni tina na so woni David ni nhia wow sanso na Judas Iscariot wono so no ye Benjamin ni sanso na Yesu so eye Judah bisoko mu jata enti no mani ye sanity eti e wadi fo ni bebre wo wa omu so no eye mpataku nti omu firi Benjamin busuem to omu ne asore na nkasa ebo eti ba omu ba eni ntina second Thessalonians 2 na nka o pan Satan eduma so the bre wo no ma ba o ma benti o se me ani da
yes because this time around we need to be pretty can't say Mr. I mean na me de so for you obie na no say I mean na me de me na ntwe ni me yi ba beguo say wo ntiasa fa Jimmy nko
wa kan
asama kan TV show won ntiasa ah won ntiasa me de me na ntwe ni me nwan na me say afi bia me do ba
so de Bromford
o de Bromford won ntiasa fa Jimmy nko o de bo no ba
so for so wa kan sa
tra so won ntiasa fa Jimmy nko
enam se Benjamin no pataku adufuru pe no Christian council nyina wo wura won ti no
omo Jimmy
nkasa he say most o my kama mu omu pa eye yeso nka kama de ko ye de
the sort of evangelist Randy Derek o kan wo like 26 you know because I was Christian council yengu no ne empe foforo no mo ni nyina o ma purpose because adwuma no mutimi because yes Christian council they are mom na wasa mom ni ko Christianity no be privilege TV nesra and messages be free bana yene popi yene apostle Prince Ofori and so for Lawrence and common ye be free na messages I boba I know the papa they say obi send message na message any panel send was say ebe den then obi a sorry no mo hihye kom ube yesi no kansem and the program commission nyina ye ube yesi ase nyankopon prophecy we need good prophecy bi ama o man Ghana ube wu kuma
erade o sha ona onyo kese ye nkoso a e ma hwefo nyina nso akwaba yes so for on say Amos chapter 3:7 yes asem kakra bi wo ho no o kasem bi say erade nyankopon nya bibi yes Jesus wa dan na gina e ga say gina e ya de obi ahinta aye wa dan na gina di a kire enti e di for na nkasa no most no mo nse de hunu omu gina be yes na me kan na ye di for nko asofo bebre obi wo wa di for edi ni nam so but ohu ade e hyenkom e ye bibia so na ase ye kan ni na ase di for mo say ye wo revelation and ye wo prophecy the case revelation ya dia ehinta aye bie so the Greek word is apocalypse so removing of veil yes say yakata dia so na ye bie so yes enti ye bie so hu ya all can na is a prophecy yes so I don't know commission ade bia wo se ye no so ne say enyi owo hu commission kwa na de ma Ghana asofo
yes e ho na hia mpa because as obi e hye de
wait 31st do atoro konsa ebeba atoro IGP akaso bi beba enough from IGP akaso still enough from any baby or san kom bia so nke o ma de e man koso so but Ghana ha no ya so fon de ntesa
yes
yes asembi o Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 21
yeah come me na
we are 23 verse 16 can 16 answer
yes because we
23 verse 16
amen ehun ato boye obi ato boye say afiwe de enkoye ego afiwe de yebewu de bia yebewu
and no be hun sabon sa ma she quote
yes
because on say obi a oye star say ni mo de ti bi hwegu fom a e ma demons no mo power na ye kese it was a commission baby am was a coffee what is also going to yes
now the first one
one yes stars
yes
so what we don't do that
yanka na me won mi ada de do
yes ya woni pa bi mo a omummoja osafo o say Hebel no sombo me rade me that you free rade it moja bi won na sofo ma e me demons awon de ye kese nti na so wo omo gina muntino omo sise wi a osafo yes
no mu wura ase
sanete osafo kan ne hwade
ube no ha muntie
Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16.
yo
As I say, as I forgot this city, Muntia differ was some common sem.
muntie difo a osam nkon no nsa
Or the book a who deem.
huhudie mu no odemoko
When I come on this, I do
oma kuma mu o ni oma ni so ade hu
fear by the enemy.
ode pe tumi
What do you prefer?
any ji kan say fe osafo so it was muntie
One sem.
omo nsa
Na kuma money so I do
na kuma mu ani so ade hu na kuma mu ene ono ani so ade hu no ye de waka
fear by the enemy.
efre brade anu
Wow.
one say dey sit here 23 na kan 21 na kan
21.
okay
Okay, verse 21 was say, Mansuma differ no.
on somehow
And so to America.
so ana make kan 31st
because obi ti me say me in the spiritual realm you say jata any aponche jata ni aponche no mo kontokwa jata ni aponche na me nua jata ni aponche kontokwa wa woni say jata ni aponche de o jata very aponche
David
mo so enti enya den
osafo so osafo kan
Mansuma differ.
on soma bi mo
And so to America.
otumi omo ho ha papa
Yes.
because said the pataku ayi o musuba ni sitiam omo ye fast and so ye den otumirika
And Casaman shall
me nkasa nkyerɛ wo
so was shall come.
31st osofo Ewurade nkasa nkyerɛ obi o enso ɔde so obi aka bie ɔde pesa mu nti no
Yes,
ɔde ɔbɛmu kɔmsa a ɛbɛpie
yes
31st
Yes.
me gyina Ewurade ne makasa de ɔde ma me no ebi ahyase eba ne ti ne ho sɛ ebi mo ka toro nkɔmse atoro nkɔmse nti no ɔse wɔn soma ebi mo
Yes.
enso otumirika
Casaman shall
ɔnka hwe
so was shall
enso ɔhyɛ nkɔm kwai
was sent as a within a
wɔgyina Ewurade agyina mu a
come on, my team is
enti ɔmo no ɔmo nyina Ewurade agyina mu na mmom ɔmo gyina ɔmo yɛfo no agyina mu
mumra me na so na
Yes.
mumra me na so me odifo ma hyenkom o mumra
enti mo mmra
31st night mumra na so se o na mi twitwam ko ababa me na so bia no mo de ewo ni bi nka
enti onyina Ewurade agyina ɔse ko gyina na gyina mu a
my team.
kekan
Or say, na so we didn't bet one come, my team is.
enti me nsa
I was son one if you want to come.
na ko sane wo efre wa kwa abone so
You're born in a home.
onse odifo biara no ɔyɛ Ewurade messenger ɔna Ewurade de nsɛm fa no so ba enti ade a ɛkɔso wɔ ntufo mu no ɔntimi nkɔka onyina Ewurade agyina mu nti onse ɔka sɛ ko bɛsan wo baabi but ɔpɛsɛ ɔde ade bi to no onya din enya dibre ade bi wɔ hɔ no asɔfo nipa bi ate ɔbra no wɔ sɛ yowu
yes obi am bezo
ah ɔde pedini na mu me nya de Ewurade kan ti ara de bisa mo sɛ eti Ewurade ankasa wɔte soro adifo ya hyɛ nkɔma hyɛ main and disaster to man ɔsɔfo
yes
Accra cycle esukɔ kyerɛ ni je bi afrenti wɔn ahu obi anka
coronavirus we buy
eti obi ahu ɔsɔfo so ɔhu
eti difo bi asori aka se coronavirus we bi edroni
dabi eti ebredu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ mi yɛ ni ta oni ehunu sɛ bonsam no wɔhyɛ coat wɔn nam ɛkwa bebree so ɔsɛ nkɔ yɛ dɛ ɔbɛsan wo
Sisenka, we didn't bet one. My team is.
ɔbɛma mi ma ne tie mi nsɛm
No one if you want to come.
wasan wɔn afiri wɔn akɔ abɔne so
Anyone near your body.
ɛne wɔn ne yɛ bɔne so
You know, won't pinch him.
eti wɔn sɛ diifo ankasa kɛ n'adwuma nie diifo n'adwuma eni so ɔbɛsan nipa ne firi adebɔne a ɛbɛba ho so n'ɔmo ɔmo ne tie Ewurade ɛnsɛm papa Ewurade bɛtumi akɔ kase bi akyerɛ diifo bi sɛ kɔgye te brazier na fa kɔgu asɔre dɛ no ɔbaa ne ba wei hwɛ sɛdeɛ ne breast ɛteɛ na fa ne deɛ ma ɔsɔfo ɔho bi da ebi mo gyegye panties David akora bo ɛna nipa ne fra asɔre dɛm no wɔ ɔkwa adeɛ so no nyina ne kom obi timi de David akora bo ɛso apa wo pa
ɛbo bɛ so
wakɔ asɔre yɛ akɔ
azo go dafa nde
so
ɛbo ɛde ayere na ɔdi
kofi David bo
ebi timi yi ne ba na ne ti apai
adenti a wɔsɛ Joshua ebra na mmere mu no ayɛ den Ewurade ka sɛ ɛbo a Ewurade toto yɛ na si de Joseph ka sɛ Joshua ɛde ɛtoto yɛ den bi we ɛmfa hɔ
just one year.
Yes.
And a bottle black.
When I say the cement is swallow. Get through baby say ya. Ghana yato. O man mo yato. E was say nipa bie.
Yes.
E was say nipa e bie ni ehwe ba bia pampam. E dan into maintenance obi for me that say.
Message for Frasabo. Message in the man ever. Maybe a friend what on the DNA ya or say they say etienne them because they see you and that obia so finyame. Nanso omsori a Yesu say da bia ye bi da bia ye etienne them. At the end of me you say except mo kan na
Sanity answer bebre ka emem. Eti dia memu no do mu mpie abontene beka. But the Okaya or one as a coin on and come at the bed. Yes, I did see any apple. No, but men I'm kind, everybody be women. I'm kind. What to be called on? Men I'm kind. Oh, I got men I'm kind. Everybody be men I'm kind. Oh, I can't. Everybody be who I got. Oh, I says uncle. Men I'm says uncle. It's so deep room. Why shall come on be to any age? Men I'm kind. Fair. The fullness on Conoco to good. Or so brave. And then it so. It won't say a bet to me as Amanaka, but there was a woman honorable to see your mother. I don't know, say, I am not a home, I consider anyone. I say, say, be a ebony. Because ebony incidents, ebony tiasa. I must say, come be free. Within bed 3 weeks, 1 month more when I get free. Let me be some saying to no more session in now. Not only a quiet better must stop here. Okay, answer. I think said Deuteronomy 29:29. Radical Simo said, yes, see you know radically. Yes. Now they are so beyond the or my any. Yes. I guess all young would be. Sadly, say I'm passing radically so dear. They will see a sin. They want to me because on me as well. On to me, young home, you so once I leave when you or shall come up and say, Bem. I'm a man, and say, why, says, yes, you will present one beer about beer, a better. Into near GPI, guide business, what shall come down in receipt. When you receipt that is sanity. Once I make cousin be said, Sabre will say, and I was a mere down. Yes. If we said, a deal for Nankasam, or Mushikut. Yes. It require papa way all can of a faso, a piano, a boson, a trop, unconscious, be a man cosmo. I just said, Sandy Pan, on February, a solid day I told Mamma, ye can you be upon at all? And Gamma Banana. I just said, Obi message, I was so deep for me. I did the car. Said, I'm on the care immunity, or quack, in spiritual and implications in everything. Then the band, not just a car or DP. The apostle was so what in the band, there's a car. Oshia no car on 15 or not so for the team. Yes, I saw the mother. Or I can't the guy with the assortment tree. He will just say, for with every to V8 no decrease. I don't pass a medicine. I already saw a passer in the issue of the summer security. Question. In fact, I took him out for the break. If we are organized to be with you, if I go to Mikael, one net, yes, 2 flew on a met now. Once I will not go out, will be timid. Nadine, but for the psychology. Yes, if it not be a bit over quality, we show one money of the child. Yes, I'm fast to be a desperate of our child. Who on my would give for once I come to a question, put him in the one and go to me simple. In a sense, say, will be passed or the dress will be to me. What a man won't come say. Your head said, I want to see a dressing Basani with Timber who because of how I dress it. Oh, yeah, I dress it. The answer of which one they were watching them, a critic Adam. By yeah, catch your for say, yes, so good for being chair. Sometimes, oh, mean will be I think I was so good for us. Oh, Scapa, I don't quite how is he dressing on. If one comes a bassa. Answer, oh, who you? Because of the dressing, what the imagination be better, and I hear Open for me, so no crying was what. Oh, it is I was here since Sabia, what to a car, if we say money with him. Say money to be gamma. I was casting out. You know, I never made demon to a view.
But so what I say, and then we would na ko tina kan na ma homo na de etoflo sa wo mpa yibo a ko cast the money out na fa ni ba na ka ma no na ma ba di for na say what na me ga be 1 madrid na say me kura me say I say ya di se ngu say kan we nya no say Satan e wo na di for
wa she coat
yes
wa she coat bonsama she coat na prophecy bonsama she coat na prophecy pa because obi message was ade by bonsama she coat na ma was say apostle me say apostle said say ka say on fa Ghana a di for 1% on grade 1% a di for papa or more money out of 100 be radio.
Okay, that's it. Say 100 now was see here. Them mum dey no cremate 10. It's now also on school because and a friend I make am. When you give obia or suffer. What do me have the fundakem? 21 days.
What did they?
Osofo. Ni nyina ne se open powers. Osofo was say open so gidi. Open se o gidi fundak 21 days. Osofo. Yesa de ne ba ya no. Ye ka che ne se e ma o menya mo menses o mo nsu a e gadi go no won so no won. Osofo e no me nam wi ase no. Se mini aba se wo tie me. E bi ye pre. So wajai malam galba gagawu waja busu fie kwa asoli awura mu so ye very careful
na galba foforo no hia
wan tweya waja na nkran so na kotodu misra no be TV no so a said you sit here Ezekiel chapter 13 verse number 1 to 8 final word
no never we bo hono man never we because they say no bra na mejew me mejew bra what you wine?
I'm not.
What do you want?
I'm not.
Bra, never ready to farm is what you. I'm not. Be in a mid for rather the farm. I'm not when you like what soon. Now, bra, mejo, bra, me wait them cocoa, make can say,
Sanet here, Majo.
Women in a
promote your it's young from a moon, there is so much grass on it.
They say strategy was out there, and so on. I play on you. Need to have a TV so now.
I am no cray you feel anymore.
I blame anymore. Not a better TV so no. Now and try Omuria no market enough for food. On in that drop plan no more can. Quite more can say my say no. Oria no market enough for food no mighty. No we are not a percentage. What a man no call. Who is it going? Me and I. Ubenya sika no na
chirasa
ebinu magidi amene ye hwe o ma ehu mu bio
ebi no mfu hunsu
yes
sa nsu e tonton na sorry dem was afoda water
na ye
eti obeka na asem de no na Ezekiel ka kire no was say
Ezekiel chapter 13
verse 1 to 8
verse 1 to 8 it tells us here the for what atemusa there are assemble men chen say
eba wo di for Ezekiel chen say
oni papa
say
Israel di for a
shan say Israel di for a shan kom no say wo so nkom
na kan say wala wo fi wona
na ka say wo mo o mu firi wo makom the 31st is an ebeba o firi wo no makom shan kom no say
ye be wu
Munti Awurade
asem Ghana di for bi mo
say Awurade Nyankopon sie
say the Israel Nyankopon ka kire wo nie
wonnie
die
di for nkwase
afo a
di wo honhomati
odi wo honhomati
na wo hunu hwe
o hunu hwe
Israel
di for
yourself
che wa di for no wa yese kongofon so nkokobo
awu de na
say the already 60 asem no o se twa Israel ezo o se twa o man Ghana wa di for no wa yese de ya Profumo kokobo. Musa kokobo kra tres pass.
Yes.
Papa faso sen kokoso.
Yes.
When yakasa ubewu no.
Ubewu na wo say. Yan yakasa ubewu.
Ba bia wo.
Yan yakasa the first night ubewu. One IGP.
Osabo Awurade Islam. O Islam be say gospel we no.
Anya ta ubeku ni pa be ya to.
Oso wo twen so be ma ne de ya. Na toro nkom hye no. Ababam. Me da say Awurade Islam hwefo
apostle Falas ntia na fato na
bishop so o che obi ana
bishop chia because and then the spirit na ekoso because e do level bu na nkofo di nyame adwuma ni di agwa na mhom wane Oti mama last we na futu bi adem.
Ye chia ahwefo.
Yes.
Ewade hye papa say ewade nam so ye ka da say privilege TV de.
Yes.
Na mapa na nepa na de bro. Yes say I like page no.
Yes.
We share no subscribe na the comment so ato ase. Na me summarize bia be ka na say ye me ye ni da ho. Ade bia no mo di da ho a eboa wo kai hom na bana wo de na ho so ye de. E ka ho. Ye wo di fo bu a wa otimi hu. Oh, ya wadi bu a enchese na men kan kire.
Yes.
Di fo be sipieto we nya me san ka je so free na me. Oh, ya wadi bu a santa wa fo wadi ke di ade hu se ade ni. Yes.
But na me yalo.
Oh, BBC na wo still wadi da so di ati. Ana na se manfo be tim se se me kona se me nya wadi a me dem da se me kona me ho atome. On se wo be nya wadi ne wo na atire nso aseme. Aje ne de be ba na atire aseme de na bisi bi tie sra woni na ho e wadi fo na aba no hwe yi ba. As a Bible crack and said, most of them, I never evidence what they actually become say, who sometimes told me I was with discerning. If we say, oh, bon, pie, the one Naka Sabede, every tell. Papa no, and a fake when you go, and the question is over there. Say, who did who dear, and another one pie, and I said, when you have a telephone to form, if you're movie.
Last one.
Yeah, me dance. Eddie can me go to quotation you. Deuteronomy 18:18, and one of the chapter. And Acts chapter 16 verse 16. And say, was say, or dear for being a man so among a woman. Now, rather the Nansa. It's an old you a deep one can say back and forth.
Yes.
So one yes. But this open concept by some boy. And the Obia one by more camera, yes. Because when they are trying, I don't know. And the woman. And Acts chapter 16 verse 16. Who said, Obano no ma or the consum and new refute ye. Yasali a witino. Say, it's an consum so. Why you bet them what the year by wire. You so Obana say, women in your coupon call for what sit in the pan quati. Quati, and that is a quati and yes, and then comes some quati and yes, some. The assembly new sanity and the uncover coverage or coverage. No more brabuia. Ubecojo to Mr. Pasoli and Quadia Sam, na we ye upon some a circle, a say, a seal cobblers freedom, and apostle near some, or one of most, or my baby saw the no my Sidian, Bansa and Libudian, and my bundles. And why ye, you know, and the dress on the one was so good to a general puppet no. Or you come show, or some come back one, or what to find the sack 3,000. Radisha, or in our yesterday. Amen. Amen. I didn't be the query. What boost to my spirit? Yamishra will be. That's an amateur. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.